This is a photo shoot that's happening for a magazine. Since my film 7 Hours to Go is, coming up and it's releasing on the 17th of June. So yeah, it's for that. It's for the promotions, and so we're combining it with the magazine shoot, and that's what it is. And Munna S, the photographer, is shooting it. I've shot a lot with Munna S, and he's a fantastic photographer, and I'm having an amazing time shooting with him.
As your film talks about action, the photo shoot which you are doing today, so what accessories which also includes boxing gloves,
Right. Sorry?
Tell us something about boxing gloves and though your film talks about.
Right. So basically, since 7 Hours to Go is an action thriller, and I've gotten to do a lot of action in the film. I trained in mixed martial arts for the film. And so keeping that in mind, the photo shoot has the essence of action in it. So there's a lot of boxing and, those elements which are, in the photo shoot. We've kept it very sporty, and we've mixed it with a lot of glamour. So we've tried a little different looks in terms of, the styling and the hair and the makeup. And I've got an amazing team who's working with me on this. And yeah, so a lot of action, a lot of boxing, and a lot of sporty feel, and yet glamorous and sexy.
Okay, tell us about your character in the film.
Well, the name of my character is Nandini Shukla, and she's a very, very tough girl. She's very to the point, very confident. She cares a hoot about what others think of her. She knows that she's in a male-dominated, profession. But she doesn't let that affect her in any way, and she's a go-getter. She's very, very confident, and and she's unlike me actually. She's very different from the way that I am as a person. There's no gray areas for her. Things are either right or they're wrong. She's very clear-cut about those things. And yeah, so that's what. Of course, yeah. I think I haven't played a character like Nandini Shukla till now. Everything that I've done has been very, it's been a little subdued. It's slightly more Indian. I think this completely is completely the opposite of everything that I've played till now. And it's all thanks to Saurabh Verma, the director of the film, for thinking that I could pull this off. Because I remember the first time that he called me to the office and he offered the role to me. I was like, really? You think I can do this? Because it had a lot of action. The girl's very, very hardcore and very agile, and it's completely different from the characters that I've played on screen till now. So yeah, and all the feedback also that I'm getting, people have been loving the action. They all are saying, it's great to see a girl do action in a film. Because usually in India, you always see the boys doing all the action. So in this film, you see a girl kicking ass and girl punching, and like I got a lot of positive response for in the teaser. There's a shot of me jumping off the rickshaw, and everyone had amazing things to say about that. So I think it's going to be very different for people who've seen my previous work.
Okay, who is your favorite Bollywood icon in action films?
I think currently it's Tiger Shroff. I think he's killing it. I just saw Baghi, and oh my God, that boy has done what action. Full credit to Sajid sir and Sabir. Both of them I've worked with. All three of them I've worked with before. So it was amazing to see the film, and amazing to see Tiger doing all that kind of stunts. Yeah, I mean, he's inspired me completely to get better, because I used to take tips from him when I was shooting for Heropanti. I had to take a lot of tips from him to train in mixed martial arts and stuff like that. And a lot of those tips have helped me now when I was training for 7 Hours to Go. And I keep texting him whenever I see different things of his, because he posts a lot of things on Instagram and stuff like that. So I'm always, asking him, how did you do this, or exchanging notes with him, and he's a sweetheart, because he's always helpful and a very, very nice guy. I think 7 Hours to Go is a complete family entertainer. There's a lot of suspense, there are a lot of twists and turns, there's some amazing action in the film. It's shot brilliantly, so it's very slick, it's very international. And so you'll be completely entertained when you come and watch this film, and it's the vacations, you can come with your entire family. It's a very clean film, and yeah, enjoy the action, enjoy the suspense. There are a lot of twists and turns, so I hope you enjoy that.